Salam alaikum. How are you doing today?
Once welcome back to our channel.
The Bridge of Unity. In the heart of a vast valley, two villages, Oakridge and Willowbrook, had been divided for generations by the Silver River, though they were once one. A great dispute had severed their bond, and neither village had spoken to the other in years. One day, a powerful storm swept through the valley, causing the river to rise and flood both villages. The people of Oakridge and Willowbrook scrambled to save their homes, but the raging waters showed no mercy. As the storm subsided, the villagers surveyed the damage. Their crops were ruined, their homes battered, and the only bridge that once connected them had collapsed. Fear and uncertainty gripped them. Then a young boy from Oakridge, Elias, saw a girl from Willowbrook, Leela, trying to pull a cart of supplies across the river's remains. Without hesitation, he waded into the water to help her, seeing this others from both villages followed suit, working together to recover what they realizing they were stronger. Together, the villagers decided to rebuild the bridge, not just with wood and stone, but with trust and friendship. As they worked side by side, old grudges faded and laughter filled the air once more. When the bridge was finally complete, it stood not just as a passage over the river, but as a symbol of unity. From that day forward, Oakridge and Willowbrook were no longer two villages, but one community, forever bound by the bridge they built together. This is the story about unity. Please subscribe and like this YouTube channel for more useful videos.
Thank you so much for watching.